Hello to everyone that's out there. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, a new week, a new beginning. I hope that everyone is enjoying their day. And I'm out here sitting in my car getting ready to take the kitties for a walk. If you're tuning in, just let me know where you're tuning in from. If you are watching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. I'm just keeping an eye on the guys. But I just wanted to pretty much talk about business today and discuss what's going on this week, if everybody is working on their business. Not only that, hey Florence, hey Tanisha, thanks for tuning in. I want everybody to know that there is a ton of money to still be made, and I hope that people are still actively working on their business and knowing that what's going on right now will soon pass. And if you are working on your business, you need to stay encouraged to continue to work towards success. For those that don't know what I do direct mail. Hey, yes, I'm here live, guys. I do direct mail, and I've been doing that since 2016, earning a full-time income. And what I do is basically come online, share my story, and give people information if they are interested in a work from home opportunity. So I've been working from home since 2016 successfully and teaching others how to do the same. So I did stop by the mailbox before I came onto the live. Hey, Mr. Hawkins, thanks for tuning in. And what I want to do is just open up some of this mail that I received to show you some of the payments that I received in the mail, okay? You know, with everything that's going on, I haven't been to the mail too much, but I am trying to get out at least once a week to check to see if, I've had people join the opportunity or send me information about what it is that they're promoting. Hey, Cicely. Thanks for tuning in, guys. So what I have here, it's my first envelope. I'm going to go ahead and open this for you guys. Hey, Edward. Things is going good. How you been? Okay, we got a payment that came in from Kat from Mississippi. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so Kat came in at the Emerald level and joined me directly, and I received a $65 payment and one book of stamps from Kat. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Hey, David. Hey, Barbara. Thanks so much for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me, please. I just want to know how many people actually tune in during the time that I'm actually live, and it helps me a lot to know when to get on, okay? See what else we have here. Sometimes I get a lot of mail from other people. This is from someone else. This is not a payment. Someone else sent me their information. So we have here from William from Ohio. William from Ohio sent in a payment, and William joined at looks like the Emerald level, and joined someone else on my team, and I received a $20 payment and one book of stamps. Thanks so much, William. Glad to have you a part of the team. And then I have another payment, and this is from another business that I've been actively promoting. And it's a check that I received for, we got here $760. $760 payment. So that's another payment that I got here today. So I just want people to know that direct mail is still going strong. People are still signing up. And like I always tell people, if you are actively promoting your business, you're staying consistent within your business, you will have signups. People will join your team. You just have to know how to promote, what to do, what not to do, and you have to stay consistent. If you stay consistent, you will have results within your business. Hey, David. Thanks so much for tuning in. Yes, Cicely, inbox me. It's been going strong since I joined Impact Mailing Club May of 2019. So next month will make 1 year that I've been involved in this business, and I love it. Hey, Annie. Hey, Dan. Thanks for joining in. Hey, Demetrius. Annie, how you been? Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. I'm over here. I'm going to take the kids on a trail. They have like a little trail here, not too far from my house. So I'm going to let them walk, burn some energy, and then we're going to go back in the house. Everyone, just remember when you're going out to stay safe, make sure you're wearing your mask, you're covering your face to stay safe for your family, your loved ones, and not only that, the elderly, because we don't want to see our family sick and suffering because we're not following proper precautions. So just stay safe. Rashid, you can inbox me. They have different levels. So right now they have a promotion going on, but there's a $100 level, a $250, a $500, and a $2,000 level, and there's a $4,000. And whatever level you come in at, minus the first level, you'll get bumped up to the next level at no additional charge. And when you sign up with my team, you're going to get stamps. You're going to get copies of the letter that's going to go out. You're going to get a blueprint from me, and also a calendar I send where I tell people to just document your marketing strategy, your traffic you're going to use, and it shows you how often to use it depending on if you're going to do online or offline. And then not only that, what I love is our paid Facebook group for Impact Mailing Club has 52 ways to promote your business offline. So that's really good too. 52 ways to promote your business, which is good. So just for this week so far, we're already at Monday. I already have over $800 in payments, and thank you, baby. That's so nice. Thank you. Go ahead, go play. Mommy's almost done, okay? So the week has just started, and this is not even including the electronic payments. So people, if they don't want to send you payments by mail, they can pay you electronically, and that can be through Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Zelle, there's all different ways. And then we have a website that you can get, which is a one-time fee. And it's a high converting website that I use to promote the business. So when people want information and they don't want to get information by mail, I can just send them my website. They can check it out, find out what it's all about, and join the opportunity. Not only that, we have webinars. We're going to have a webinar tonight at 6 p.m. where you can get more information about the opportunity as well. So if you want more information about the opportunity, you could definitely send me a message through my inbox, and I'll send you over some info. Not only that, it's a great way to start, especially if you have some extra time, you want to make some additional income, or you want to take this full time. I decided to do it full time because I didn't want to go back to a 9-to-5 job. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to have time freedom, and I've been doing this now full time since 2016, earning a 6-figure income. So yes, 6 figures, doing direct mail, promoting the opportunity, showing people how to run traffic, setting up people's websites, but mainly promoting direct mail. So I just want to say thanks so much. Hey, Marquita, thanks for tuning in. Sharon, thanks so much for tuning in. So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. And I hope everyone is starting their week off on the right foot. And not only that, staying inspired about starting a home-based business if you haven't already started one, or making sure that you're actively promoting whatever it is that you're currently in. I'm here to help you. So if you want some more information about what I do, or you need help with traffic, I can help you with that. You just have to be willing to put in the footwork. So thanks so much, guys. Stay connected, stay blessed, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Have a good day.